How to get the best Mcgraw Hill discount promo codes. Need textbooks or study tools but don't want to pay full price? Mcgraw Hill promo codes can save you up to 50%, and here's how to find and use them. So active codes include GEO50 for 50% off select resources, Clear 30 for 30% off medical materials, Some 15 for 15% off academic tools, and or M26 for $5 off ebooks. There is also a 15% off books code valid until February 19. So you can find verified codes on Macrow's official site, coupon platforms like Don't Pay Full and We Thrift, and through email signups. Community forums also confirm which codes are active. So to be able to use the codes at checkout, go ahead and enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best to textbooks, ebooks, and study resources. So always test codes before relying on them. McGraw Hill promo codes are a reliable way to save. Stick to verified sources, apply them at checkout, and you'll pay less for textbooks and learning tools. And that is how to get the best McGraw Hill discount promo codes.